So I didn't get much sleep the night before, so I'm just using some eye mask, this one from Tarte. For eyeshadow primer, I'm using this one right here from CoverGirl. It's their Lid Lock Up eyeshadow primer. So for eyeshadow, we'll be using this one right here from Lux. This is their Coffee palette, and I'm picking up the very first color and apply that all over my eyelids as a base. And I'm picking up this very light brown color and I'm applying that on my crease as a transition color. Now I'm picking up this deeper chocolate brown color and I'm applying that on my outer V and really blend in the color, and also using a clean brush to blend out all the edges. Next, I'm going to use this Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and apply that on my eyelids and cut my crease with that. Once I got my cut crease, I'm going back in with the palette and picking up the color right in the middle, and I'm applying that directly on the concealer that we just applied. And I'm just using a clean brush to blend out the edges. The eyeliner I'm using today is from M Cosmetics, and I'm just going to try to wing out my eyes a little. Then after that, I'm just going to curl my lashes and apply a few coats of this mascara. And this one right here that I'm using is from Too Faced Cosmetics. Surprisingly, I didn't do my eyebrow just yet, so I'm just going to do it right now. And I'm using this brow pencil from CoverGirl, and I've been really enjoying this one right here. Honestly, I'm not sure what I was listening to, but apparently I was jamming to it. So I'm using this Hungover Face Primer and the Born This Way Foundation, and both products are from Too Faced. And you guys know the drill. I apply the foundation right in the middle of my face and then kind of work my way out. And for the brush to blend that, I'm going to use this one right here from Sigma. It's the 3D HD, and I've been loving this brush. You hear me talk about it all the time. So apparently I'm in the mood for some Too Faced Cosmetics because I'm using their concealer too. This is the Born This Way concealer, and I'm using a Sigma concealer brush to blend that out. Alright, so for powder, I'm using this one right here, is the translucent powder from Cover FX, and just dust that all over my face. Now I'm going back to the palette and picking up the deeper chocolate color again and smoke out my lower lash line. For bronzer, I'm using this one right here from Lux. It is the Coffee Bronzer, and just going to chisel my cheek and my forehead a little and slim down my nose. And for highlight, I'm using this one from Smashbox. Honestly, a lot of people hating on this highlight, but I really like it. I really enjoy it. This is the Gilded Rose, and I'm just going to apply that where you typically apply the highlight. And for lip colors, I'm using this one right here from Lux also. This is their creamy lipstick in the color Lychee. Been loving this color as well. And then I'm setting everything together with the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. Alright, so that's my complete look, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye!